Okay, so we watched Pythagoras 1 and Pythagoras 2. If you haven't watched the two videos, Pythagoras Theorem 1 and Pythagoras Theorem 2, please watch them before watching this video. This is a typical example of questions that are related to Pythagoras theorem. So we have this triangle here with a hypotenuse of 15 and one of the sides is 9. Okay, centimeter and centimeter here. So the question is asking for the area of the triangle. So how to get the area of the triangle? Let's say we first need to find leg B here, leg B length, and then apply the formula to get the area of the triangle. So how do we do that? Again, h squared equal a squared plus b squared. So 15 squared equal 9 squared plus b squared. So b squared with 225 take away 81. Put that on the calculator. What do you get? You are right. So b squared is 144. You recognize that. What is square root of 144? It's 12. So 9, 15, and 12. Okay, great. Now I have this side here. So I have the base and the height. So the area A will be base times height divided by 2. So base times height is 12 times 9 divided by 2, and that will give me 6 times 9, which is 54 centimeters. Okay, so hopefully that was pretty straightforward. Took us off the grid a little bit here, but hopefully that doesn't impact your understanding. Now I'll give you an example, and I want you to pause the video and try to go through this example doing the same method that I used. And I also want you to give me the area of this triangle. So the hypotenuse is 17 here, and the leg is 15 centimeters. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to go through this question. Let's write our equation. H squared equal a squared plus b squared. So 17 squared equal 15 squared plus b squared. So b squared would be 17 squared minus 15 squared. Put that in your calculator. What did you get? 17 and 15. That gives you 64. So b is 8. This side here is 8 centimeters. So the base times the height gives me the area over 2. So base is 8 and the height is 15 over 2. So the area is 4 times 15, gives me 60 centimeters square. Okay, hopefully that's what you got. And if you have any questions, please pop them in the comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.